Welcome back to our journey through the world of baby farm animals. Not all baby animals grow in the same way. Some are naturally curious from birth, while others spend their first days staying close to their mothers, learning through observation before becoming more independent. Nature has given every species its own unique advantage. Baby camels, for example, are born without the large humps adults are known for. Those develop later as they grow. Young llamas and alpacas often stay close together, finding safety by remaining with the herd. Learning happens every single day. Barn kittens watch their mothers carefully before attempting to hunt on their own, while farm puppies begin understanding how to protect animals simply by observing older dogs at work. Even the smallest birds have impressive instincts. Baby quail can leave the nest shortly after hatching, and young guinea fowl rely on speed and teamwork to stay safe from danger. Every playful jump, curious step, and new discoveries preparing these baby animals for adulthood. Their first weeks of life may look peaceful, but they're filled with constant learning and remarkable growth. Which baby farm animal surprised you at most? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for our next adventure featuring baby wild animal.